Hi guys, welcome back to a brand new vlog. If you're seeing my face for the first time, a warm welcome to you. I hope you stay, I hope you subscribe, I hope you become part of the family, and I hope you share the video with family and friends. I would highly appreciate that. If you're returning, you're a returning supporter, thank you so much. Thank you so much for stopping by. Thank you so much for your support. Thank you so much for clicking on my video and watching it till the end, because the important part is watching the video till the end. Yeah, a warm welcome to a new vlog, guys. It's a Sunday. Can I tell you, the power went 8:30 in the morning, and I think it's 1 o'clock now. It's still not back. We don't know what's happening. It's not load shedding, obviously. This area Angeli outages, it's so annoying, it's so irritating. So yeah, and I was planning to cook with you guys, and now Eskom said not on my watch. Huh? How does that happen? So yeah, I'm so annoyed, but we got something that we can easily warm up and then eat. The boys are out with their dad to cut their hair, but they said they're on their way, so I think I'm gonna wait for them to come back, then dish up for everyone. If not, I'll dish up for myself, and then they'll eat when they come back.
I see that you're hurting, I see that you're down, I see how every dream return came back to call you out, was ready to...
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's a Monday afternoon after work. I had said I was gonna cook yesterday, but I couldn't because of load shedding. I will just show you what I prepared, because he wanted ribs, he didn't want anything else, and I wanted to prepare the chicken, so I couldn't because he said he wants ribs. So yeah, I will show you what I prepared yesterday, but now I'm gonna cook with you. Yeah, I'm just gonna, the main focus is gonna be on the chicken, because I'm gonna make mash, nothing special there, and just the salad. So yeah, so the focus will be on the chicken. So yeah, come, let's cook together. Okay guys, this is what I'm gonna need for my chicken. It's fresh garlic, crushed garlic, the mushrooms, some cream, and these are the spices. I'm not gonna use a lot of spices. The Cape Malay curry, chicken spice, parsley, and some chicken cubes. These are very salty, so hence I'm limiting my spices. There is the chicken, and then I'm just gonna use green pepper and some onion. That's all. Let's cook.
Be there night and day, be there both night and day.
Okay guys, I'm gonna start by browning the chicken inside the butter. I saw this recipe on Instagram, so I am trying it out. It's the first time I'm trying this. So while that's busy cooking, I'm gonna get on chopping the green pepper.
I'll be there night and day. Be there both night and day. Until the stars have fallen onto the ground. I'll be there night and day. Be there both night and day. Oh, 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 night and day. Oh, night and day.
When will tomorrow come? Why do I still miss you? Why can't I move on? Thought I left you smiling. My past is all
We have come to the end of the vlog. I must say that meal, I'm so proud of myself. I can't believe it. For the first attempt, I think, what meal did I prepare that was almost like this? I can't remember, but okay, it was so delicious. It was so delicious. Even Sihle said, yo, the meat is so delicious. So yeah, it was really, really nice. So yeah, let me just close off the vlog and I will see you on the next one. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching till the end. If you've been watching till the end, throw in a pink heart if you've been watching till the end. Let's see. Yeah, I really appreciate your support, guys. Yeah, let's grow, man. Let's grow. Let me create and let's grow. Let's see where we can get. I think we're so close. We're so close to 1K, but yeah, let's push it, guys. Thank you guys so much. I'll see you on the next vlog.